Most people think a professional server setup requires a massive, expensive cabinet that weighs as much as a car. But this open-frame beast from Vibeo is here to prove that theory wrong. It looks like a simple metal frame at first glance, but it might just be the smartest way to organize a chaotic home office or a growing IT closet without breaking the bank. Standing at 24 units high, this rack offers a massive amount of vertical real estate while maintaining a surprisingly compact footprint. The first thing anyone will notice is the open-frame construction. While enclosed cabinets look sleek, they often become heat traps that shorten the lifespan of expensive hardware. This design prioritizes airflow, ensuring that every router, switch, and server stays cool even under heavy loads. The build quality is impressive, utilizing heavy-duty cold-rolled steel that feels rock-solid once everything is bolted together. One of the standout features is the inclusion of a 2-unit lockable drawer, which is perfect for stashing away those easy-to-lose rack screws, console cables, or external drives. Moving this much gear could be a nightmare, but the 4 heavy-duty casters make it effortless to glide the entire setup across the floor to access the rear cabling. It even includes adjustable vented shelves that can be moved up or down to accommodate non-rack mount gear, like desktop PCs or audio equipment. The addition of a top panel is a thoughtful touch, effectively turning the top of the rack into a functional workspace for a laptop or monitor. Whether it is for a home lab, a small office, or a retail environment, this rack provides the flexibility and durability needed for serious cable management. It is a versatile, high-capacity solution that makes professional-grade organization accessible to everyone. For anyone looking to tame their tech clutter, this rack is a powerful and reliable foundation for any setup.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.